Biscuit in the garden. Come along, Biscuit. It is time to visit the garden. The garden is filled with so many things, Biscuit. Just look at all the flowers and plants. You found a butterfly, Biscuit. You found a worm too. Silly puppy, don't dig now. Oh, Biscuit, you found a little bird. Is the little bird hungry? Let's feed the bird, Biscuit. Wait, Biscuit, what do you see? Two more little birds. Here, little birds. Here is some birdseed. Come along, Biscuit. There's lots more to see. Oh no, Biscuit, not the birdseed. Just look at all of the birds now. The garden is filled with so many things, Biscuit. But you filled the garden with lots of birds too.